In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Google Drive effectively, a skill that is essential in both personal and professional settings. Google Drive is an incredibly handy tool that allows you to store files and collaborate seamlessly with others. Let's dive into how to manage those sharing settings with ease. First, you'll want to go to your Google Drive and log into your account. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com, where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all of your documents and files. Next, locate the file you want to share. Once you find it, right-click on the file to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Share option. This action will open up the Sharing Settings panel for the selected document or file. The panel is where you will adjust who can see your files and what they're permitted to do with them. Clicking on Share will bring up a pop-up window. Here, you'll see spaces where you can enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the file with. Below this, you'll notice an option labeled General Access. It's crucial to set permissions appropriately depending on the sensitivity and requirements of your content. Under General Access, you have a few options. If you select Viewer Only, the individuals you're sharing this file with won't be able to edit or copy it. It's a perfect choice when you just want someone to view your document without making any changes. There's also an option to make them a commenter, which allows them to add comments but prevents them from downloading or printing the file if those options are disabled. Another useful feature is the ability to restrict access to your file. By changing the general access settings to restricted, only specific people you've directly shared the file with will have access. This is especially useful for sensitive documents where privacy is a concern. Once you've set your desired permissions, click on Done to save your changes. All your settings will be applied immediately, and your file will be shared with the selected people under the chosen permissions. And there you have it, a simple guide to sharing files securely and efficiently on Google Drive. Adjusting these settings gives you greater control over who has access to your data and what they can do with it. So the next time you're working on a project or need to share resources, remember these steps to keep everything organized and secure.